So as you can see that the first chapter we are going to start is chapter number 8, that is cell, the unit of life. As the first word that comes here in this chapter is cell. So first question that comes in our mind is that what is a cell? Cells, as you know, that is the structural and functional unit of life. So we are going to start here with first basic things about the cell as the introduction. It was discovered by Robert Hooke. There is a scientist whose name is Robert Hooke. As these names, these terms are very clear to you because all of you have studied this thing in class 9th also. So cell was discovered by Robert Hooke in the cork slice of plant Quercus. Cork, if we remember the diagram, these are the cork or honeycomb like structure which has tiny compartments. Tiny means small, small compartments which were given the name cells. Then Robert Hooke actually he discovered the cell which was dead cell. So later on, there is another scientist who is Anton von Leeuwenhoek. He discovered living cell. And after him, there is another scientist called Robert Brown. He discovered nucleus. So these are terms which are very important or basic introduction as we are going to start with the cell chapter, that it was discovered by Robert Hooke in cork slice. And Robert Hooke, because he discovered the cell which was dead, so later on another scientist Leeuwenhoek, he gave us the discovery of cell in the living one. So Robert Brown later on discovered the nucleus. Then the second topic that is comes is cell theory. Cell theory is one of the major outbreak in the cell, that it is given by two scientists. First time it was given by two scientists, that is Sheldon and Schwann. We never say that first time it was given by three scientists. It is given by two scientists whose name was Sheldon and Schwann. Then modern cell theory, which was further modified by another third scientist, that is Rudolf Virchow. So modern cell theory, we always say that is given by Sheldon, Schwann and Rudolf Virchow. What did they say that cell theory is all about? This cell theory has three main points. First, all living organisms are composed of cells and products of cells. All living organisms, they are made up of cells and they are the products of cells. All different functions, they are products of cells or they are performed by cells. And third one, all cells arise from pre-existing cells. That was modified. This point was modified by or given by, I will say, that was given by Rudolf Virchow. He gave us a term omnicellular e-cellular. Very important, very many times this term is asked in exam also. Omnicellular e-cellular. This term was given by Rudolf virtue. First is all living organisms composed of cells, they are products of cells. All the functions, they are products of cells, or they are performed by cells, and all cells arise from pre existing cells.